5 daily habits that are making you poor. Fix these fast. Did you know you might be staying broke not because of how much you earn, but because of what you do every day? Let's talk about 5 small daily habits that quietly drain your money and keep you stuck financially. Habit number 1, impulse buying. That snack, that online deal, that checkout add-on. They seem small, but daily impulse spending adds up to hundreds every month. Solution? Pause before you buy. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Habit number 2, ignoring your budget. If you're not tracking where your money goes, you're leaking money. A simple daily budget check-in takes 2 minutes and saves you regret later. Habit number 3, eating out too often. Grabbing food on the go costs 3 times more than cooking at home. Try this. Meal prep just 2 days a week. You'll notice real savings fast. Habit number 4, subscriptions you forgot about. Spotify, Netflix, gym memberships. If you're not using them, you're losing money. Do a monthly audit. Cancel what you don't need. Habit number 5, not investing in yourself. If you're spending but not learning, you're stuck. Free YouTube videos, library books, and online courses are powerful and cost little to nothing. You don't need to be rich to break bad habits. You need awareness, intention, and a plan. This is Smart Money Guide, helping you grow your money smarter, not harder. Subscribe for more real-life financial strategies that work.